G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which field it is, possibly Quilpie. Get a bit closer. This is lower grade material, great for beginners. Seam of opal you can see runs underneath the stone there. Some of this has got faces. White fraction of opal inside it. This might cut into something. Vein of opal there, running through there somewhere. Pieces like this you can just cut, have the patterns of opal and parent material side by side. Anyway, it is what it is. It's not very expensive. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.